Daddy.
What? What? Ba!
What are you making?
Ling
Ling. Good morning, Baba.
I know it starts with C.
No.
Yes, it does. I can.
Shoe rack starts with. Yeah. What letter is that?
S.
That's right. Well done. Good job. So we're building this shoe rack na binili namin kahapon. Very easy lang naman. Tingnan niyo. Bilis-bilis lang eh. Para hindi magulo tingnan yung mga sapatos sa kwarto. Lynn, can you give that to Mama please lang? Give it to Mama please?
I thought they were candles.
No.
I thought they were candles.
They look like it. Please.
No.
Yes.
Please, Selene.
No. No.
Please lang. Can I have the long one?
I can get it for you, Mike.
Please, honey. Thank you. That would be great. Thank you. Lah, tignan niyo ang damit ng ating ate para sa damit ng kanyang tatay. Nak, why do you wear daddy's shirt?
Because?
I like it.
Huh?
Because I like it.
Because you like it? Buti pa si Daddy Mike nakapag-shower na. Celine woke up.
And guess what? I made something really special.
Dito na na?
Aww, see? She's very creative.
I have
Dito na
my.
na?
Gumawa siya ng
Dito na na?
crayon holder niya. Meron pa siyang mga pa...
I can like bring it to school.
Yeah, good job.
If we are doing show and tell, I can bring this. Not fruit show.
You certainly can, my love. Ang ating baby girl ay nagising
We
ng 6 o'clock,
don't do
guys.
show and tell
My goodness.
at school.
Sobrang aga.
This is my beautiful
I got a great idea.
Crocs.
I got a great
It's not
idea.
there?
I got a great idea. Papa will give this to teacher.
To who?
Teacher.
Sina Ate Paris have been making like cards for her teacher.
You know what? I got
My beautiful Crocs on here.
now.
Not there. In the bedroom. Babe, give it to Mama, the other one. I can buy myself flowers.
Wow, he's
There you
there.
go. Tapos, it's like this lang.
I got the cockroach spray. There's a cockroach in my room.
Well done, sweetheart. Look lang, Ling. Where's the other one?
She has it. So we can have this one.
Where's the other one lang?
Which one?
See, 1, 2.
3, 4.
Hindi na maibot lang.
Ma, if you bring a roller for your... Ma, if you have a roller for your nails in class, you can...
Alam lang, careful lang ah. You're gonna break it lang.
And you can actually make something.
So this is what it looks like, guys. So nilagay ko na dyan sa ilalim. Ito yung mga damit ni Ate Paris kasi. Tapos yung mga shoes ni Daddy Mike dito nilalagay. So kanina ito nilabas ko lahat oh. Kanina dyan yan siya. So it looks ano ba? messy. So, ngayon, with this one, oh my God, sobrang dami sapatos si Daddy Mike, guys. Grabe, hindi naman to nasusuot lahat. So, for example, ha, ito yung ilalagay ko sa taas kasi walang masyadong space. Oh, diba? So, mas organized siya. Tingnan. Ayan. Ayan. Mga sapatos si Daddy Mike. Uy, magkakamukha. Masa na bang kaparehas niya?
Most of my shoes are under the bed.
Hmm?
Yeah.
See? Addiction kasi ito ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang shoes.
There's nothing.
Someone!
Kadami. Ayan. So, tis makakalagay pa ako dito sa baba ko. Kasya yan. Meron pa doon sa ilalim ng bed.
Mama, I gotta keep that same energy. What? You pregnant? What? What did I do? What did you break? How did you break? Okay. What did you break? Yeah, what? Quick! You're making me nervous now. Just tell me. Why are you? Tell me what you broke.
You won't get angry.
Yeah. Just keep a little bit of distance.
This color is gonna be really.
What did you break? Bob!
I hit the side mirror. Yes, dear.
How did that?
I reversed.
Yeah, but how? I'm saying.
I just put Celine in, and we were going to the library. And I parked on the side of the road. It's very close. Like, you know, I parked very close. There's a big tree. And I reversed to go turn.
Is the library open today?
No.
Is it too hot?
It hit the tree. Mama.
So it's just plastic right here.
Huh?
So it's just big here.
This one, see?
This one that you can get it fixed.
So this one is right, the mirror is the glass. This one, you know? This bit. I don't know, probably have to
The door.
replace the thing. Yeah.
Or you just replace the mirror.
Huh?
You probably just have to replace the mirror.
The whole mirror. I don't know, because there's the camera and all that.
Yeah, but I doubt, you know what I'm saying, is I doubt they're gonna like have plastic parts. We'll find out. Find out. I don't know if it's covered by insurance or not.
No, it's big, too small.
Huh?
Too small.
No, I don't think it matters, Bob.
Yeah, I don't think this would cost a lot, you know what I mean? But
You can ask. You can ask, and if not, we'll just have to take it to get it fixed. You know what I mean?
sorry, Daddy.
That's what it is, brother.
So, ayun guys. Finally, nasabi ko kay Daddy Mike. Dada, where's Dada?
I got it.
Yeah, we went outside. So, kahapon kasi guys, yung nangyari, hindi kami nag-vlog kahapon ni Baby Celine. So, pagkatapos naming i-drop sa Ate Paris sa kanyang school, ay dinala ko si Baby Celine sa Bulimba park muna kasi at 10 o'clock, meron siyang rhyme time sa library. So, since early pa siya, bumili kami ng kape and then we went to the park para makapaglaro muna siya bago kami pupunta ng library. And then, yung pagka-park ko kasi, sobrang, very close to the curb. Tapos, yung sa gilid may malaking puno. So, ngayon, kasi si mami nyo ay, sa park, may nakita kaming yung, naging friend din namin na Korean na babae from last year. Nakita kami ulit doon kasi napansin niya kami. Sabi niya, Jovi, yeah, it's nice to see you. So, nagka-chit-chat. Ngayon, nagmamadali si mami niyo kasi malilate na kami sa, sa aming library session ba. Ngayon, hindi ko manapansin yung puno, guys. So, pag-reverse ko, para umalis sa parking, mag-join na sa main road, ling-ling! Ay na-hit ng yung side mirror yung puno. So, I was very scared. Hindi sa na-scared ako kasi magagalit si Daddy Mike. I was very worried. Yung sa akin lang is that kasi I can make him feel upset. Kasi alam niyo naman guys, he cares for the car so much. Like, always yung nililinisan and all. And, but then, it's something naman na hindi ko ginusto. Diba? So, hindi ko sinabi sa kanya kahapon kasi nag-work siya sa office. So, hindi ko muna sinabi sa kanya kasi ayokong mag-alala siya. And then, last night, hindi rin. Umuwi siya 7 o'clock kagabi. And then, we went to get pizza. Oh. Hindi niya napansin kasi hindi mo naman talaga makikita. Yung ginawa ko kahapon, tinape ko siya, nilagyan ko ng scotch tape para hindi siya magbitay-bitay ba. So, kanina pa ako nilakasan ng loob na sabihin sa kanya kasi para nakatulog na, medyo na yung pakiramdam ko. So, yun na nga. So, obviously, hindi naman sa nagalit si Daddy Mike sa akin kasi naintindihan naman niya na that's something na, I wouldn't want that to happen. And, nakita niyo kanina sa yung reaction niya. Sabi niya na, it is what it is. So, I'm so thankful na Daddy Mike is like that. Like, he doesn't really get angry. I know na frustrate siya and I feel bad about that, but sabi niya it's something naman daw na it's fixable, sabi niya. So, he's right. It is what it is. Like, we'll just try to fix it. And unfortunately it happened. I wish it didn't happen para wala sa utak namin ngayon yan. Gastos na naman kasi kailangan i-change yung okay. But it's okay kasi kahit hindi pa namin yan siya ipa-fix ngayon, it's okay kasi hindi naman talaga need. It's not that hindi lalarga yung sasakyan kung wala yung kung hindi ma-okay yung plastic lang naman yung nagrabihan talaga ba. Anak, what's going on? Itong batang ito kasi paiyak-iyak kasi very early gumising. So very sleepy na to siya. She's due for her nap. What's the time na? Happy na yarn. Ha? Kasi nakakita na ng lady niya. Oh. Ay! Hang on, let me just... Take it off, babe. La. Okay, come didi na. Uy. Alam niyo ba, anong oras na guys, hindi pa ako nakapagkatid. Ang ating baby Celine ay nagnanap. Nagnanap na. And kaninang umaga, ginawan ko sila ng lugaw. So, yun yung agahan ni baby Celine. Ako hindi ako nakapagkape muna. Kasi Kasi, since ako yes, my love? Strawberry? Yeah, we'll go do grocery shopping soon, okay? When Daddy comes back. Yeah, of course. Kaya magkakape na ako ngayon kasi may darating na customer ni mami niyo. So, may bibili ng bag. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nilagay ko na dito, na-ready ko na. So, she said she is now 15 minutes away. So, ayan. Kabenta na naman si mami niyo. May pang-grocery naman tayo. May pangbili na naman tayo ng bigas. Ito yung kape ko from Korea, guys. Tingnan niyo. So, diba na-mention ko sa previous video ko yung business review. Yung mga supplier ko sa Korea, kapag pinapadala nila yung mga stocks ko dito, nilalagyan nila na mga kape. Or, kaya marami tayong mga ramen. Yung mga ganito ba? Yan. Nilalagyan nila for free. Yan yung kanilang freebies. And I really like it. Para siyang 3-in-1. Kasi kape, sugar, I don't know kung may cream na ba to siya. Yeah, a little bit, I think. So, yeah. Para siyang 3-in-1. Masarap. Wala, anong oras na ba? Tsaka pa nagkape. Ito siya, hinihintay ko na hindi. Na guminaw siya ng konti. Kasi,
I really want strawberries.
yeah, we will go get strawberries soon, okay?
I want to go now.
Honey, come here. Come back. We'll have a shower so we can wash your hair.
Hungry.
Hungry? Are you hungry?
I want something.
We'll find something. What's it? This one.
We can buy a cookie today too.
Can, sure can. There you go. What do you say?
Thank you,
Thank you, who?
Mama.
Where's your anak?
What?
Where's your postcard? Where's your tita and tita?
It's there.
Where you go? Where is it? Oh, here. Oh, yeah, yeah. Siya dito. So, first, ni Ate Paris from school. Ito yung dala niya kahapon. So, sabi dito, Dear parents, your child Paris has consistently shown effort.
I'm an expert.
And like, you're doing really well. Like, you're trying your best. Effort. What does effort starts with? Yeah, good girl, see? She's learning. Every time nauuwi siya from school.
I got like a C. If you can hear a letter the first time, that means you start with.
Good job. Is that what you learned from school? So, pag umuwi siya from school, guys.
I didn't learn from anywhere.
Really? Did you learn it by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, sweetheart. And sabi niya, I know, Mommy's letter, words that starts with letter, ganito, ganyan. Yan yung new game niya.
What about F? I know fish.
Fish, okay. What else?
Oh, J.
Okay, J.
I know what starts with the J. Jovi.
Jovi, yeah, it's Mama.
And jungle.
Jungle, okay.
Jungle time.
Jungle time. She's here na daw, guys. Where do you wanna go?
Mommy.
To Mitsubishi, Nissan.
Mommy.
Why?
To fix Mama's mistakes.
Show me.
Mine.
Show me your teeth and your mouth. Ay!
Oi!
Are you angry at me, Daddy?
Yes.
My back clinic is done.
I'm not happy about it.
Physical.
I'm not happy
I mean,
about it.
my back clinic boy.
Are you
My
angry at
back
me?
clinic has a
No.
red shirt. He has
I didn't mean it.
Anyway, yes, no, I'm not, Bub, I'm not, yes, I'm not angry, but I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about it.
My bucket
Is that fair?
Yes. I understand that. I wasn't scared that you're gonna yell or you're gonna, you know, 'cause I know you're not like that. I know. I was scared because I didn't want you to get frustrated because of what I've done.
I was like,
But at the same time, it makes me feel like okay-ish because you know as well that that's something that I wouldn't want to happen.
I was like, yeah. I was hoping you were to say something like, I just spilled like something in your shoes or something.
I think you'll be more angry.
No, I wasn't. No, I wouldn't. Cause I seen you like talking about my shoes, or I seen you doing something in my cupboard. I was thinking, like, sweet, she's just fucked up a shirt or something, but not like I broke the car. Did I was like,
No, when I told Daddy, like I have something to tell you, I said straight away that I broke the car. So Daddy probably like in his head was like, shit, broke the whole window or something. And like,
crashed the car.
yeah, crashed the car.
Which I wouldn't have known when you did it, because I was in the car last night.
Yeah. So last night, hindi ko sinabi guys sa kanya. Sabi ko, naku, makikita niya yung yung scotch tape ba na nilagay ko. Pero hindi niya napansin. That's probably because it's already dark. But it's probably not that big para mapansin nila ni Mike. Hinintay ko talaga ang tamang pagkakataon. So I waited for the right moment.
Sorry, my short-term is really
Anyways,
funny.
kailangan namin ipa-fix yun guys.
Nice.
Anyways, now where are we going? How are you feeling by the way, Daddy?
Very good. Very good.
You're feeling good now?
Yes.
That's good.
I'm gonna go. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Wollongabba and then we're gonna go to where?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get something to eat.
Paris.
We're gonna have
What
lunch.
did you
Is that water dirty?
for showing
I think it will be. Selena's not drinking water, love.
Come here, sweetheart.
Oh no.
Why? Why is this not going?
Look at your face.
Selena,
Tingnan
no,
niyo
no,
guys,
no, no,
oh.
no, no, stop drinking water, love.
She gained weight. Didn't she? Oh, tingnan yung mukha, oh. Lingin-lingin naman ang mukha, eh.
Is my cheeks getting bigger?
Yes.
Like this. Like
It
what?
looks like Shopao. Can you say it?
Like this.
Can you say it? Shopao. Shopao. Ling Ling.
And guys, do you know what? I know how to open a yogurt now. I can reach.
Yeah, she can reach the fridge now. Like the second
Celine.
shelf. You're getting big now.
Stop tickling me. Stop tickling me.
You're getting big.
My head
Buti na lang talaga guys. Thank you Lord
No,
talaga.
Lenny, no, 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 no.
getting longer.
Yeah. Maganda yung pakiramdam ng ating family. Even though sa mami nyo ay meron pa rin mga
Put your
ubo-ubo
hands up
konti
if
guys.
you
But
want to keep this. Nice
Better.
gem.
A few moments later.
what is this, Ling? What's this? What's this? How do you call this one?
Please don't take flying, just give me your shoe and I'll put it on.
I love your shoes. I love your shoes. This one? Too? Wait, look here, oh. Hi, Tita and Tito. Ang shalom kong. What's this one? Put the shoes on. Alis kami, magla-lunch kami. Yeah, tell them where we're going. Tell Tita and Tito where we're going. Yeah.
Okay, come on.
We're going to the Vietnamese restaurant in Wollongabba. Tinawagan namin guys just in case baka close.
The only thing we can do do at the party max first. The only thing we can do is just put the little toys.
We can do that.
But not the chocolate yet. But not the chocolate because
It'll melt.
that'll get old.
Okay, oh. We can do it next weekend.
Next week.
Yes. I can buy myself flowers.
She's saying she
Mom
wants
and
cuddles.
Dad
Mom,
said.
she's saying she wants cuddles.
Look, you can
This needs to be cooked, eh?
cuddle. Yeah, we'll have it tonight.
You know what it is?
Whiting.
Good, it's baby ones. Do you know how to make batter?
Butter. Butter.
Do you know how to make batter?
Aww, we can learn.
Huh?
Love this with her. Here. Ah! Gadida.
He's cleaning some of his shit before the cockroach comes over there.
Gadida. Didida. Way! Good job. Alis muna kami guys. Sama namin kayo.